students, today I'll be starting with question number 1 of exercise 4.3. Now question number 1 says draw the graph of each of the following linear equation in two variable. Here equation in two variable is given. Okay, here we have the linear equation in two variable. What we have to do, we will have to draw the graph, but before drawing graph we will have to find the solution for every linear equation. So for this we will have to make the table, and then in one we will write x and in another we will write y. Here to find the solution of the given equation, what you have to do, we will have to just consider any one of this variable and we have to solve the other. So for this we'll just consider minimum possible value of the variable. Okay, so let us consider the value of x is 0. Now if value of x is 0, then 0 plus y is equals to 4. So the value of y will be 4. Okay, so the solution, first solution of this equation is 0, 4, in which value of x is 0 and value of y is 4. Now let us consider the value of y, say 0. Now if value of y is 0, then x plus 0 is equals to 4. Here value of y we have considered as 0. So what will be the value of x? It's 4. Okay, so another solution is 4, 0. Now we will have to put this on the graph. Now this is the horizontal axis is known as x-axis and the vertical axis is known as y-axis, and the two axes meet at their 0, means origin. So here is 0. Okay, now right side of origin is all positive, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Left side of origin is all negative, so minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Upper part of origin is all positive, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Lower part of origin is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, now here we have 0, 4. Value of x is 0. Now where is 0? Here is 0. Okay, now value of y is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So here will be the coordinate. So this is 0, 4. Okay, now another solution is 4, 0. 4 means the value of x. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is positive, right? So here is 4. Now value of y is 0. Now where is 0? See, here is 4. And since value of y is 0, that means we are not moving from here. We are standing over here. And we know that on the x-axis, value of y is 0. So here is 4, 0. 4 is the value of x and 0 is the value of y. Now here we have got the two coordinate. Now we will join these two coordinate, okay, using scale and pencil. Okay, now we will have to write the equation also. So here we will have to write the equation, which is x plus y is equals to 4. Okay, so this way we will have to complete the graph. Okay, now coming to the next part. Now in the next number we have x minus y is equals to 2. So again we will have to find the two solution of this equation. So for this we'll take x and y. We will have to make the table and then we will have to write x and y. Now at first we are considering the value of x, say 0. So if the value of x is 0, then 0 minus y, value of x is 0, that's why 0 minus y is equals to 2. So what will be the value of y? It's minus 2. So 0, minus 2 is the solution. Now let us consider the value of y, say 1. Now if the value of y is 1, then x minus 1 is equals to 2. So the value of x will be 2 plus 1, which is 3. So the value of x is 3. So the next solution of this equation is 3, 1. Now, here horizontal axis is known as x-axis and vertical axis is known as y-axis, and the two axes meet at point O, means origin. Now right side of origin is all positive, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and left side of origin is all negative, so -1, -2, -3, -4. Upper part of origin is all positive, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and lower part of origin is -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay. Now our first coordinate is 0, -2. Now where is 0? Here is 0 on the x-axis, and value of y is -2, means lower part of the origin. So here is -2. So this is 0, -2. Now our next coordinate is 3, 1. 3 is the value of x. So where is x-axis? Here is x-axis and here is 3. Now value of y is 1. So we'll go upwards. So here is 1. Okay. So this is 3, 1. Here is 3, and to get the value of y, we will have to move on the y-axis. So from 1, if you draw a dotted line, if you draw a perpendicular line from 1 and from 3, the two line meet at point here 3, which is the coordinate 3, 1. Okay. Now we will join these two coordinates. So using scale and pencil, we'll just join these two coordinates. Okay. So this is equation x minus y is equals to 2. We'll write the coordinate along with the equation. Okay. Now moving on to the third part. Now in the third equation we have y is equals to 3x. So to draw the graph, at first we have to find the solution of this equation. Now let us consider the value of x is 0. Now if the value of x is 0, then y is equals to 3 multiplied by 0, which is 0. So if x is 0, y also will be 0. Now let us consider the value of x is 1. Now if the value of x is 1, then y is equals to 3 multiplied by 1, which is 3. Okay. So the two solutions of these equations are 0, 0 and 1, 3. Now our first coordinate is 0, 0. So 0, 0 means value of x is also 0, value of y is also 0. See, this is 0, 0. The coordinate of the origin is 0, 0. See, so here it lies over here. Okay. And the next coordinate is 1, 3. Now value of x is 1. So here is 1 and value of y is 3. Now from 3 we will draw perpendicular line, and from 1 we will draw perpendicular line. So two perpendicular line meet over here. So this is the coordinate 1, 3. Okay. Now we will join these two coordinates using scale and pencil. Okay. Now we will have to write the equation on this line, which is y is equals to 3x. Okay. So this way we will have to complete the graph. Now moving on to the last part of this question. Now in the last equation we have 3 is equals to 2x plus y. So before drawing graph, we will have to find the solution of this equation. So let us write x and y. Now at first we are considering the value of x is say 0. Now if the value of x is 0, then 3 will be equal to 2 multiplied by 0 plus y. So 3 will be equal to 0 multiplied by 2 is 0 plus y. So value of y will be 3. So value of y is 3. Now let us consider the value of x, say 1. Now if the value of x is 1, then 3 is equals to 2 multiplied by 1 plus y. Value of x is 1 here, so in place of x we have put 1. Now 3 is equals to 2 plus y. Okay, now if you transpose 2 to the left hand side, then 3 minus 2 is equals to y. Then 1 is equals to y, or we can say the value of y is equals to 1. So we'll put 1 here. Now in the first coordinate we have 0, 3. So value of x is 0, so here is 0. Now value of y is 3, so here is 3. Okay, so this is the coordinate 0, 3. And the another coordinate is 1, 1. Now here is 1. Okay, and value of x is 1, so here is 1 on the x-axis, and value of y is also 1, so here is 1 on the y-axis. Now from here if you draw perpendicular line, and from here if you draw perpendicular line, the two line do perpendicular line meet over here, so this is 1, 1. Okay, now we'll join these two coordinate using scale and pencil. Now we will write the equation on this line, which is 3 equal to 2x plus y. Okay. So this is how we do number 1. Thank you, students.